What's up, you guys, and welcome to another awesome video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do super awesome audio like what you're hearing right now. And if you're thinking to yourself, wow, Blips, that sounds really hard. Well, guess what? It's not. And I'm going to show you right now. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is position your microphone about 4 fingers away from your mouth, anywhere from 4 to 8. 4 is ideal if you want to capture that beautiful bass in your voice. Alright, so you're going to want to go into your OBS and go into your microphone settings. You can see as I'm here talking, blah, blah, blah. Alright, so we can see that our microphone is working. Next thing we're going to want to do is go into filters. So these are your big 3, gain, noise gate, and limiter. They're really going to help your audio settings. And gain you can simply think of as like bass in your voice, or like the amount of punch that your sound has. Guys, you don't need super high quality mics. It helps a lot, yes, but you can still achieve a good quality with a few mixers. So for the sake of this audio video, I'm gonna have my microphone in the ideal position, which is about 4 fingers away from my mouth, and that will usually give you the best audio settings. You do also want to try to speak into the microphone. You don't have to swallow it. Good morning, Glenn! Just speak towards the microphone. Speak at a normal volume. You don't have to scream either.
Tell us something your mom doesn't know. Yeah.
Which brings me to my next thing. Let's talk about the limiter real quick. So if I were to scream really, really loud, I'm not going to do it right now in this video, but basically what we do is we set a threshold. So you don't want to ever go over 0 decibels. Ideally, you want to be somewhere between the range of -2 and -5 decibels. What that's going to do is going to stop your speakers from peaking. So if something very exciting does happen, you can scream at the top of your lungs, and you're not going to make your viewers bleed out of their ears. Last thing we're going to talk about is noise gate. This is just to get rid of some of that audio background noise. Like, for example, maybe you have a fan going on in the background. Now keep in mind, when I do start talking, you might actually hear that fan. So there's a plus side to having, you can do things like adding objects into your room, specifically soundproofing. Foam is good. You want things that are going to absorb the sound, and you want to be very careful of things like the AC and your fan and things like that, because when you're using USB microphones, they tend to pick up a lot of things. Now on XLR, it's a little bit different, but we'll get into that later. If you like this video, smash those buttons. It really helps out a lot. I'll be doing more tech and gaming related news. Also check out our website, ccg.com. Lots of fun stuff there. And as always, stay happy, stay positive, stay motivated. Blips fam.